welcome. Today we will see how to install Java in a Linux machine with SdkMan, another very handy and useful tool to install Java. Normally Java requires a line of terminal command to execute 7 or 8 command, but with SdkMan it's very easy, very simple. Let's see then how to install Java with SdkMan. First we will need to install SdkMan with a curl command, and then SdkMan will then you can use SdkMan to install Java. Let's see how to install SdkMan and Java with SdkMan. Let's go over to my VM here. Okay, SdkMan. Let's go to its install section. We need to just execute a curl command to download SdkMan and execute that bash file. Let's copy the command and open terminal, paste it, and by the way you will need to get installed curl, and it's just a sudo apt command, sudo apt install curl if you don't have curl. Okay, execute this command. It's downloading some scripts and automatically execute the script. Okay, all done. Here what it says: open a new terminal or run the following in the existing one. Source, then issue the following command. We'll copy it and initiate this command. Okay, it's done. Enjoy SDK help. Let's test that SDK help is SdkMan is installed properly. Okay, we have SdkMan installed. Now let's see what SDKs that SdkMan provides. Here is the list of SdkMan's available SDKs. We can use Ant, Ceylon, Crash, Glide, Gradle, another useful, Grails, Groovy, and here is Java. So it's very simple. Just SDK install Java, SDK install Java, and bam. SdkMan will then download JDK file from Oracle's software, and latest version of the Java will be get installed and download. Most probably the latest version till now is 8.0.1.163 Zulu. So let's see. It's Java standard edition. Let's wait a bit here. See how done. Packaging, installing. Okay, done. Let's see the Java version here. Okay, open JDK 1.8 is done. Simple. So thanks for watching. Like if you like the video, and please subscribe.